Hi guys, in this video we are going to cover how to show a custom view, right? Or the views that we have step-by-step view into custom CCP or the agent workspace. Before moving on, just a simple request to all the viewers who are watching to subscribe to the channel. It's free for you, but it does help the content creator. And as always, if you're coming from Google search or any other third-party application website, if you find this video useful, don't forget to give a super thanks, and as always give a like and subscribe. Okay, so let's jump into the what exactly is custom view. Okay, so this is the agent custom agent workspace that we have created. If you don't remember, this is the video configure custom agent workspace CCP in AWS Connect, right? I have given the link of this video into the description section, so can you can see and learn about it if you have not seen this video already. Okay, so if you go down, there is a comment over here, how to integrate a custom view or a view or step-by-step views, how to show that into AWS Connect. Okay, so if I scroll back to the video, right, or so not the video, to the page that I have over here, you will see that over here for the custom views we have commented the section, right, which was not required at that time during when we are trying to create over here. So what we will do is we will remove this part, right, and put the comment back over here. Okay, and we will see what errors we are getting and how to resolve those. Okay, now the important thing to note over here is they are asking for the contact flow ID. Okay, so in usual world, right, in the out of the box agent workspace, right, you don't have to configure a particular contact flow ID that we have over here, but when you are using a custom CCP, you have to add those contact flow ID. Now, whenever you are showing a custom view, right, or a step-by-step guide or a step-by-step view, right, this over here, uh, you have two flows, right? One is which is triggering the view, right, over here, and sorry, over here, set event flow, and another one where you have configured the view, right? So which contact flow ID to give? Okay, so the answer is to you have to give the answer contact flow ID of this contact flow ID where you have configured the view, not the event flow, not the page or not the contact flow ID where you are triggering it, right? Remember that because this is what it is important. So you have to give the contact flow ID of this show view one, uh, which gets displayed or which have the views configured. Like we have this display contact view is configured, right? And if you want to see that video, right, I have configured where it will be. Give me a second. Okay, found it. So this setup, sorry, not this show and pass contact attribute. I will also put the link of this video into the description of this one. Okay, so you can see how to enable the view, configure view, enable a view into your contact flow. Okay. Now coming back. So what we have done is we have removed the comment from here and move it over here. Again, there are two sections. One is on connected and one is on after call work, right? So if your view is configured for when the call comes, right? Or when agent gets connected, right? So you have to configure over here. And if your view is for after call work, right? What your agent have to do after they handle the call or completed the call, then you have to configure over here. Okay. Mine was specifically for on connected, so that's it. Okay. So what we will do is we will just refresh this page to see if any error or not, right? And if any error, oh sorry, first of all, why I moved two step ahead. So I have to put this contact flow ID, right? So you will find the contact flow ID over here. I will put that contact flow ID over here and over here, right? And now I will refresh the page. So refreshing the page, now you will see that I have a error, right? So I will click over here and it shows this one, line number 138. So at line number 138, you will see that they have given something called this thing which we don't require, right? I will click save and do a refresh again. There is another issue with the unexpected token. Okay, so they're saying that this is not a valid. Does this one have or disable auto destroy? True. Okay, let's do this one and remove. Now, where is the issue? At line number 176. 176. Okay, so maybe once we enabled this close over here, this doesn't get close. So this and this we have to add. So maybe from here we have to move the comment section to this one 174, and hopefully this will resolve the issue. Yep, so it resolved all the issues that was there, right? So now what we'll do is, okay, so it's loading right now. The view will not appear because it will be available only on connected to an agent, right? So remember, we have you, this will be only on connected, right? So what I will do is I will quickly go and initiate the chat. Okay. So this should trigger a call to my, okay. So we have received, till now there is no view. Once I accept, it should come over here, right? And it's load over here. And yeah, you can see the view is available now. So whatever the view you have configured, we have configured this view. That's why you're seeing like this. And this still remains the same, whatever the functionality that you want to do, right? So chat wise, it will still work. But over here, we will see the custom view. Uh, Custom view, yeah, custom view. Not the custom view, step by step view. Yeah, basically we say it custom view. This is a term for the custom view, right? Okay, so yeah, that is the video is all about how to enable a custom view in the custom CCP or agent desktop. We have demoed for agent desktop. Hopefully you find this video useful. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and thanks and comment. Any questions, just put your query in the comment section. I do reply to each and every one. Thank you. Have a nice day.